Alan and Drea. Guys, we moved back to Texas.
There's our car.
Yeah, there's our car. There you go. We are at our new apartment in Austin, Texas. This is our first time seeing it, so we're gonna do a little bit of a reaction video, I guess.
Right, we just
our car is packed. We drove 20 hours.
We drove
20 hours of travel with stops.
We didn't film any of it for you guys because you've been getting a lot of travel vlogs.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you love them. You tell me you do.
Okay, we're gonna go in, get settled, and then we'll show you our place.
Yeah. The reason we left North Carolina is because it just didn't fit quite right.
It was just a place for us to be for a short period of time. We were there for 6 months and we learned a lot, and now we're back in Austin and we're gonna learn more. I'm in here getting things somewhat organized. Obviously we are just getting moved in, so we don't have a ton of our stuff here yet. We have a U-Haul pod that's on its way in a week and a half with the rest of our stuff. And then my husband's right there.
Hey guys.
He's just having a good time chilling. We're just glad to be here. We traveled for like 20 hours. We drove straight through from Sanford, North Carolina to Houston, stayed overnight with Alan's cousins. Thanks, Tommy and Nicole. You guys are amazing. Thank you also for supporting us on our channel. That's so fun, so cool. Thank you. We needed that, and now we're here. And we're gonna
Sam
go.
And Nate. Thanks for letting us in North Carolina.
Sammy, Nate, of course. You guys, thank you so
an
much.
avid watcher.
Thank you, Sammy. Thank you for supporting us in our journey.
She has a YouTube channel too. We'll have to link it down below. And it's called Fermented Foods. Or
I think so. We'll put it down there. You guys should follow our friend Sammy. She's got some great content helping you to live your healthy life, your best life. Right. And we're gonna go get some In-N-Out, which we've missed because they definitely can't be here right now.
Okay, so this is our room. It's pretty wild.
I get used to the lights.
I know. And we have like a little outing area.
Make our little place feel like a home.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Nice to have our own spot.
This is our first time seeing our apartment. So
It's nice.
it's nice. You know, we don't like to complain. Like, that's something we really try to watch. But I think, you know, you sometimes have certain expectations of what you think things are going to be like.
Right.
And so it's probably maybe a little different in some ways, but
It's been renovated. Wish it was a little cheaper and a little nicer. But so all our stuff is coming in a U-Box, which we highly recommend. Way easier to ship it compared to dragging it behind your car. And then we shipped our Lexus, which we're slightly disappointed in because one of the rims was scratched and they broke off two pieces off the roof rack. So we'll tell you who not to use. Remember to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Tell your friends. So we've been telling people along the way, but we're excited. We've been a little more strategic with this move as far as like making sure we're centrally located. Being in North Carolina, another reason we left is like things were so far away. Church was like a 40-minute drive.
if it's alive, it's worth the drive.
It was.
It was alive and it was worth the drive, but I drove an hour round trip to work every day.
Costco was like 30 minutes. Freeway driving. HEB. And guess what we got? A citronella plant.
Raise the roof? I don't know if
That's right. We gave it a
raise the roof anymore.
raise the roof. When you restart your life, you have to buy everything.
It's like you're starting from scratch.
It's like you need toilet bowl cleaner and sponges and
We have
a plunger
some
and all that
stuff.
stuff.
We have, but some stuff we won't have for another week and a half till our U-Haul comes. So it's time to make it work.
Now, In-N-Out. I'm excited about.
Yeah.
Me being a native 5th generation Californian, I'm proud to say, the good ones. We've been really missing like a great In-N-Out burger.
Yeah.
Like they're good
We
all.
tried this place called Cookout in North Carolina.
Right.
It wasn't good.
It was terrible. Like it was the worst thing.
I'm sure it's good for some people, but I think it had a bad.
It's like the one that I got, it was terrible. Sorry. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. We're excited. A little taste of California. Wonderful.
We didn't go to In-N-Out before when we were living in Austin. Because we lived in Austin for like 3 months when we were staying with your uncle.
So.
But we didn't go out anywhere because we're trying to conserve our funds. So
that's right.
now we get to have a treat. Praise God.
Is there anything else we want to talk about in North Carolina?
You know, it's a beautiful state. It was really green. We didn't get to see a whole lot of the state, like as far as...
We got to go to the beach.
Yeah, we went to the beach a couple of times.
Met a lot of New Yorkers that love North Carolina. They want to get away from the snow. Me being from California, they said it's so beautiful, and it is beautiful. But it's like I'm from close to Lake Tahoe area, and it's like trees and mountains. It's like completely different.
It's like a different kind of beauty, I guess.
I guess so. Yeah. So they like harvest trees too, and there's like paper mills, and it's pretty different. Their insects are huge. Everything's trying to eat you.
You should insert a picture of that spider we saw right here.
Insert spider here.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Fantastic. How may I help you?
Can I have... Do you want fries or anything?
Oh, definitely.
Can I get a number 1, please?
Onions in that?
Yes. Can I get grilled onions?
Right on. And what would you drink for that?
Can I get no tomatoes and a Dr. Pepper, please?
No tomatoes and Dr. Pepper. Right on.
Are you from California?
No, sir.
Oh, you just say right on, and I think that I'm from California, so...
That's the In-N-Out.
It's a... Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, cool. And then...
In the car to go, sir.
What's that?
Have a nice night.
You too.
Saying right on is like a
I
California
don't
thing.
remember them saying that in red.
They don't. Like,
So
he's like saying...
Whoever is the franchise owner of this In-N-Out is really wanting it to have that authentic...
Him saying right
California
on
feel.
like all the time. Like, I guess that's like Chick-fil-A saying it's my pleasure. Because I say right on. But that's funny. He's like, no, that's an In-N-Out thing. And I'm like, no, it's not.
I do say right on.
Right on, guys.
Right on.
I hope you guys enjoyed Alan and Andrea vlogs on the phone. Remember to like and subscribe, and we hope you guys have an amazing
We're
day.
excited to be back. It just feels good. It's nice to have
Feels
our
better.
own place again.
Right. We really miss California, but
Yeah.
it's just not the right time right now. My family's still there, but I'll tell you more about that later. All right. Have a nice day.
Bye.